Alaikum salam. Finally, welcome.
How are you doing now?
I'm fine.
You okay?
It's nice having you here.
Yes, like 3 months we have been
Yeah,
communicating.
we have been communicating. So luckily, I've finally met you.
Finally, I'm here.
Yeah.
So where are we right now?
We are at it's Costa Road.
Okay.
Sunju Alaji, not far from the market. Yeah, it's a center and a heart of.
Yes.
Yeah.
Well, before we go far, can you introduce yourself? What's your name and where you come from?
I am Ami, a single mom. Yeah, and a business lady.
A business lady, right, in the Gambia.
Yeah, in the Gambia.
So what did you do exactly apart from?
Apart from I have other business I run like cosmetic and other things.
Wow,
Cosmetic.
What will be your advice to Gambian brothers, to African brothers and sisters who are out there in diaspora, travel for so many years, never come to Africa, never invest in Africa, never even build a structure in Africa to help out politics? What will be your advice to Gambian brothers to invest money, build the Gambia and employ Gambian brothers?
Okay, my advice will be, it's nice back home, you made a difference, you never look out there, it's not for family, try to invest, something massive like this,
Wow.
That's my advice.
That's your advice to Gambian brothers and sisters.
Especially brothers and sisters out there.
Where do you live in the Gambia? Is it
Fanyara.
Wow, in Africa.
In Fanyara, don't come from the beach.
Can you tell me why I am so beautiful and you are a single mom? No, it's a question to ask. So beautiful and a single mom.
Maybe I'm not lucky, yeah, maybe I'm not lucky, guys. Famidana, well, I'm under 6 months now,
Okay.
well, 1 year.
Oh.
Yeah, so I'm getting married. Yeah.
Well, Papa, you have any more
Yeah, man.
Yeah? Wow.
So everyone,
Why have you ever Papa?
yeah, I'm telling.
Yeah, and they are all new ones, yeah.
Yeah,
They are all
of course.
new ones. Yeah, they are new ones, no more than never did. Yeah, put them on.
Greetings, assalamu alaikum. Voice from the Gambia, voice from Sinchu Alaji, voice from the smiling coast of West Africa. Simply the way, as we said, we are working hard each and every day to make a better name, a greater name for the Gambia today and for Africa tomorrow. We stand, we strive, we work and pray that all may live in big unity, freedom, peace each and every day. Let's justice guide and drive our actions towards our brotherhood. So here I go. As I always say, love to see Gambians who are out there investing back in the Gambia. Here I go, one of my Gambian sisters who is out there invest back to the motherland. So right at the moment, in case when you are in here or out there, you need a shop or you want to have a business right in the heart of the Gambia, right in Costa Road. It's like 2-3 minutes walk to the main road. From the main road, it will be like 2 minutes walk to the flyover, right? So one of the busiest markets, right, in the Gambia, West Africa, right? So we will meet our sister, beautiful sister beyond imagination, right? A single sister right at the moment. So we're going to move. So we're going to intro herself, right? And then she will take us through the journey, and then she will show us everything. So it's like 6 shops, so 2 have already gone, so it's remain with 4. So right now, make sure call. We will drop her number in case if you want to talk to her or you want to rent a shop right now. Assalamu alaikum.
Alaikum salam. Finally, welcome.
How are you doing now?
I'm fine.
You okay?
It's nice having you here.
Yes, like 3 months we have been communicating.
Yeah, we have been communicating. So luckily, I've finally met you.
Finally, I'm here.
Yeah.
So where are we right now?
We are at it's Costa Road.
Okay.
Sunju Alaji, not far from the market. Yeah, it's a center and a heart of.
It's a heart of business.
Business. Yeah, it's owned by my mom, but I'm shy, to take over and
Everything.
Yeah, everything. Yeah.
Wow. So how big the shops are?
They are quite big. Yeah, very big and comfortable. It has everything, and the water is free. Yeah.
Water is free?
It's own gas power in there,
So about the gas power, like you guys who are going to be loading it?
It's already in there.
It's already in there?
Yeah, it's already in there. Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
Well, before we go far, can you introduce yourself? What's your name and where you come from?
I am Ami, a single mom. Yeah, and a business lady.
A business lady, right, in the Gambia.
Yeah, in the Gambia.
So what did you do exactly apart from?
Apart from I have other business I run like cosmetic and other things.
Wow, cosmetic.
Cosmetics.
Yeah.
Yeah,
All right. We will drop her number in case if you want to talk to her.
Yeah.
Right now. So these are the two subjects
Those are already gone.
gone.
Yeah.
So it's like your mom built.
Yeah, my sister, yeah, the whole building, yeah, actually, yeah, and my sisters, we do the whole house. Yeah, the whole house.
Wow. So comfort your mind in the heart of the Gambia.
Yeah.
The smiling coast.
Of
So I can't wait
Africa.
to-
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. You guys can come in.
Lead us.
Yeah, so you see how big it is. And the water is free. You have your very house there, yeah.
So, and then,
And you have your farm.
so how long have you guys are ready for 4 months, 3 months, 6 months?
No, we are asking for 1 year or 6 months.
1 year or 6 months?
Yeah, 1 year or 6 months. Yeah.
So do you get like terrorists or customers or
Yeah, everything.
restaurant?
Anything, yeah. It's suitable for everything you want to do.
Wow. Can we speak one of our Gambian language? Before we get that, what will be your advice to Gambian brothers, to African brothers and sisters who are out there in diaspora, travel for so many years, never come to Africa, never invest in Africa, never even build a structure in Africa, talking about politics. What will be your advice to Gambian brothers to invest money, build the Gambia and employ more Gambian brothers?
Okay, my advice will be, it's nice back home, you made an influence, you never look out there, it's not for permanent, try to invest, something massive like this, yeah.
Wow.
That's my advice.
That's your advice to Gambian brothers and
Yes,
sisters.
for family brothers and sisters out there.
Where do you live in the Gambia? Is it from?
Fanyara.
Fanyara. Wow, in Fanyara.
In Fanyara, don't come from the beach.
Can you tell me why I am so beautiful and you are a single mom? No, it's a question to ask. So beautiful and a single mom.
Maybe I'm lucky, yes. Yeah, maybe I'm lucky, yes. No, guys.
You will soon
Yeah, simple.
I'm ready to make it. But Papa, the cameraman, I don't know what I about.
Yeah, Fort Johnson, in the heart of, It's not far from the main road. It's not far from every the local spot. If you want to pray, there's masjid just, opposite the shop. Yeah.
So what's the size of the shop, right?
This is actually,
Let me check.
yeah, but it's big. This is the biggest one among all of them. It's the biggest one among all of them.
And this one, if I'm gonna rent, I'm gonna rent here. So the center.
Yeah, you see, and yeah.
Unique, yeah?
Yeah.
So we're almost some other big one. You speak Mali for all of them?
Mandinga.
Yes. Wow, these are very some number for you.
Wow, this is number 4.
Okay. That means to say, brother, you can get from
Maksudnya saya kafir ini kan cuma edukasi mah.
Yeah,
Iya.
yeah, easy. Because ibu kalau is more than
So support the kau memang kayaknya.
No. One the biggest one, the among all of them, yeah. So apart from that one, all this one, they are same size.
Same size.
Same size.
So like the community yang kau like 6 months aku lagi awal dia.
Yeah.
Like many also 6 months.
6 months.
6 months dia major apa after dia ada senang dia apa.
No, I'm 6 months already.
Then I know. Okay.
So from there, I can for 1 year, and 1 year. It depends. I'm married also, yeah.
It depends.
Yeah. Also when I recently came here.
Kalau fana ka business wani ka juli awanya ka business wani juga awanya wani ka semua. So saya like ni ka banyak sandi sa jama ko di balik kalau ka business wani ka faham. So maybe you can start it from 6 months ka sa something.
Yeah. Fabita. Wala na 6 months
Okay.
Wala 1 year.
Oh.
Yeah. So I'm getting married.
After married.
Yeah.
Bapak dia kan muda dia.
Yeah, man.
Yeah. Wow.
So, every one of them.
Banyak boleh Bapak.
Yeah, I'm telling.
Yeah. And they're all new ones.
Yeah,
They're
of
all new
course.
ones. Yeah, they are new ones. No more never taken.
Yeah.
Yeah. Put them out.
Yeah.
Yeah. So the number 1. Don't be number 5.
Shop number 5.
Yeah, you control shop number 4 will be the same size.
All right.
Then you have number 6.
Shop number 6.
Yeah, number 6. Yeah, that's
Shop number 6.
yeah, you see, you put out the other thing.
What do you mean?
Yeah, direct, yeah.
Yeah, directly, man. Can I come there again sometimes? Semua juga, paling penting juga, ada mama. Kalau kau ikut, kau dibuatnya. Wow, so suka kastor.
Yeah, super big in the castle, in the toilet. You just have to turn it around there.
Okay, so mau betul.
Yeah, well, from there,
Oh, berubah jangan ngomong fulan.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah, own castle,
Ah,
yeah.
ini orang mampu.
Yeah, family.
And the video suggest something.
Yeah, everything.
Why you guys use white polo?
White collar, I guess it's nice and more attractive here
Okay.
for people, you know.
For the people.
Yeah, for the people, yes.
Yes. So, what will be your last and final message to the viewers, subscribers?
Okay. To say thank you to you, Lucky Child, for at least for finally coming.
Anyway.
Yeah.
Finally, I'm here.
Finally, you are here, yeah. So I'm thanking each and everyone, subscribers. You know, and Kapo Movie Wana, and then also Ren is our own Gambian sister, who is my mom who owns it. Yeah, and the price is very reasonable. Yeah,
Very cool, yeah?
Yeah, very good. And the area is very good.
Wow.
Yeah. It's not far from the stop. At the heart of the hostel.
The heart of the hostel.
Yeah.
So basically, like I'm saying, as we always say, make sure call her, talk to her live and direct. It doesn't need you to call Lucky Child. I'm not getting Lucky Child from Jurola. Jarul na call Lucky Child. Just call them, call them, not on live and direct. They're gonna source it, they're gonna pull, they're gonna handle it, they're gonna, you know, one of little data. So anyway, say that about Jarek, I'm gonna communicate with you right away. So simply the way, so I'm just direct from Melanie and I'm just Lucky Child because I see a lot of people out there and they complain from Nigeria, Ghana, Congo, Cameroon, worldwide, America. Never met one day who got replies and music, but I got a lot to do in the Gambia also. I know a lot of people out there, they want to talk to me, but you know, I got a lot to settle in the Gambia to change the narrative of the motherland. So long to see Gambians out there are investing back in the motherland to change the Gambia with or without politics. So stay tuned and focus right in the world, for Gambia today and for Africa tomorrow. Simply contact Amina, right? Gambia is a company inside the plane. Talk to you. Thank you for watching. Stay focused. Bye-bye. Behind the camera.